Hello and welcome to the DIY session on clutch play adjustment. A clutch is one of the key elements of motorcycle. Hence, the right clutch play is very important for a fun riding experience. Always use a genuine Benelli clutch cable. If there is an issue with the clutch lever operation, gear shifting or pickup, you need to check and adjust the clutch cable. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: two 12mm spanners, screwdriver, and a measuring scale. To start with, keep the motorcycle in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Press the clutch lever 2 times before making any adjustments. Use the 12mm spanners to loosen the clutch cable nut at the right hand cover by rotating clockwise, and then tighten the inner lock nut. At the lever end, tighten the adjuster knot fully. Ensure there is no gap between the adjuster nut and the lock nut. Now loosen the adjuster nut for 4 full turns. Then come to the right side of the engine and gently lift up the clever shaft and tighten the clutch cable nuts fully with the help of 12mm spanners. Move the handlebar to the left side position and press the clutch lever 3 times before any adjustments. Position the measuring scale under the left hand grip, aligning it till the lever ball end to measure the free play. It should be 5 to 8 mm. Tighten or loosen the adjuster nut to achieve the play. Now straighten the handlebar and check for the free play of 5 to 10 mm. Once the above steps are followed to adjust the clutch, you can have a comfortable ride on your Benelli.